A word can hail the night at arms, alone and palely loitering. The sedge has withered from the lake, and no birds sing. A word can hail the night at arms, so haggard and so woebegone. The square's greenery is full, and the harvest's done. I see a lily on thy brow, with anguish moist and fevered dew, and on thy cheeks a fading rose, fast withered too. I meet a lady in the meads, full beautiful, a faery's child. Her hair was long, her foot was light, and her eyes were wild. I made a garland for her head, and bracelets too in fragrant zoom. She looked at me as she did love, and made sweet moan. I set her on my pacing steed, and nothing else saw all day long, for sidelong would she bend and sing a fairy's song. She found me to her roots of relish sweet, and a honey wild in manna dew. In sure and language strange, she said, I love thee true. She took me to her elfin grot, and there she wet me sight full sore. And there I shut her wild, wild eyes with kisses full. And there she lulled me asleep, and there I dreamed, woe betide, the latest dream I ever dreamed, on the cold hillside. I saw pale kings and princes too, pale warriors, death pale were they all. They cried, La belle dame Merci, thee hath enthralled. I saw their starved lips in the gloom, with horrid warning vapid white, and I awoke and found me here on the cold hillside. And this is why I sojourn here, alone and palely loitering, though the sedge is withered from the lake, and no birds sing.